Hello, this is Just Nailed It, and this is a late Glitter Girls St. Patrick's Day collaboration video. I'm like a day late and a dollar short, as they say. I had my acrylic video to do and my birthday stuff that, I had to put up, so yeah, I'm late. So today, I'm going to play catch up, and I'm going to do my St. Patrick's Day manicure. I already have on my nails the foundation by Beetles, the base gel. I cured that for 60 seconds. I'll be using Top It Off as their no wipe top coat. I am using Lucky Charms, the glitter collection by Beetles. They have the colored spots, dots with it for you to put on there, but then you cover up the numbers, so I don't know. I'm going to be using 680 and 682, which is the beautiful gold. That's just luscious, like spun gold. I'll be using that. 682 is this beautiful green glitter polish. Look at that. So that's what I'm going to be using. One nail will have the glitter, the gold, which is the ring finger. So let me get that started. I think the gel, let me back up. I think the Beetles gel polishes have a great consistency. I love that about them. We will be doing 2 coats of each. Ouch. My nails feel really, maybe it's just my thumbnail where it feels like it could just bend and hurt. I don't know. I did file my tips this morning a little bit. Definitely need a full manicure. Full. Need some cuticle work done. Which means it won't be done by me. I'm a little scared of those nippers. Oh, this is thick. Probably is too cold in my room. Got the fan going 24/7. Window open yesterday because of using the monomer. So yeah, my room is cold. Instagram's going crazy this morning. It's like 7 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 18th of March. Yeah, these are definitely going to take 2 coats. They're beautiful though. Just beautiful. And with Beetles polish, it is recommended that you cure it for 60 seconds on everything. Don't know why, but that's just how it is. No curing for 30 seconds with the Beetles. Cure for 60. Give it a full cure. Look how beautiful that is. I just love their polishes. These are just beautiful. So I'm going to stick these in the lamp. Give them a full cure. And on the ring finger, when we're done, we're going to be putting these beautiful shamrocks. Look at those. I got these from the Nail Candy Shop. She's on Instagram. You can look her up, one word, the Nail Candy Shop. She's got a page here on YouTube. And I'm getting parched already. Yep, Instagram's going bonkers. They're active already at, what time is it? Oh, 7:41, my bad. I thought it was later than that. I thought it was later. I'm using my Medina, it's a Nail Tech lamp, which means the controllers are on the back, but I'm getting used to it. I'm finding my way around it, which is good. Yep, Instagram's going crazy. Our next video, I don't know if I should tell this, probably not. I'll wait. It's always good to have a little surprise when it comes to the Glitter Girls. Get this out of the lamp. And we will start over with our spun gold. Love, love, love this. So love it. Like I said, it's got a great consistency. I can't remember how much I paid for this on Amazon. I remember it had a coupon though. And some of their polishes do. Some of them don't. I know I got I think it's the spring collection for like, I don't know if it was 50% off at the time, 30% off, something like that. I'm trying to watch my time, see where I'm at. The editing program I use can only do 15-minute clips. Yesterday it let me do a 17-minute clip, which I was so grateful for. Otherwise I would have had to compress it. That's what seems to work if it's a little bit over. These are just beautiful. Just love these. You can use this green and gold for Christmas. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Let's take a minute to just take it in. I know my camera's not the best to pick up the sparkle, but it's gorgeous. It's really stunning. Okay, we're back fresh out of the lamp. I am going to use the base coat of the ring finger. It's the gel. It's the gold, I mean. I'm going to use the base coat on the gold to give the nails, listen to me lie, the shamrocks, 4-leaf clovers to stick. So I'm going to pop that back in the lamp for a few minutes just to give it a quick flash cure. There we go. Couldn't think of what it was called. I think this is going to be beautiful. I could have done some stamping on it. So I have the stamping plate by Big Bang Beauty out that I was going to use too, but decided against it. Beautiful plate though, so there's always next year for this. Okay, our nail should be flash cured. Whoops. I think I should have used, some grip gel by She Modern to get them to stick. So then I'm going to put that on the nail. Cure this for 30. And the shamrock should stick to the nail just beautifully. Just beautifully. So we're going to let that cure for a quick 30. Get me something to drink. Alright, I cured that for 30 seconds or so. Put these on now. Just to give it a little bit of St. Patty's Day look. Oh, is this too many, ladies? Let's do one more down here in the corner. Remember, I got these from the nail candy shop. Great prices, great glitters. Okay, I've got my top it off now. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna top it off. This is just beautiful. Yep, I knew I'd have one go awry. There we go. I'm going to cure this now for 60 and I will be right back. Okay, we are back fresh out of the lamp. We have top coated our nails. And look at how beautiful that looks. Let me hold this up so you can see it. I think it's just gorgeous. Love Beetles polishes. You can also buy these as a set on Amazon. I think I paid $8.99 for the two of them. And don't forget, you can get your, I'm sure they still have this collection if you want. It may be discounted further by now. Look up Beetles gel polishes on Amazon. This was called Lucky Charms, but on the box it says glitter, green, orange, and white. But you can look up Lucky Beetles gel polishes and it's there. They have a whole slew of collections that you probably haven't even seen. Let me put this back out here. So check out Beetles gel polishes on Instagram as well as on Amazon or BeetlesGelPolishes.com. Or maybe it's BeetleGels.com. I'll put it in the description box. Don't forget, I have a giveaway going on into the 1st, so check that out. It is for Beetles gel polishes for the, on the box it says white blue collection, but I don't know. I don't know, but we'll see. So check out my giveaway. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Leave me a comment down below. You're all greatly appreciated. So is your love and support, your comments, everything. Have yourselves a blessed day and stay safe. Thank you.